Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nadila Permasari. I'm from class 3A English Education. This video, my post intermediate listening and speaking with my lecturer Dr. Mansur MED. Chapter 1. Why improve your English fluency being in the start clearly. Basically, when you speak well, people will able to understand you better and clearly. When you speak very fast, then people will not understand a single word that you say. Also, if you speak, people will have a better understanding of the message that you want to impose. For example, if you mumble, people will have the impression that you might not want to be there. It may also appear to them that you do not to talk to them, so you're just mumbling instead of making them hear what you are really saying. But when you speak clearly, people will listen to you and they will surely understand the thing that you are talking about, being a pleasure to listen to. It's not good to know that people enjoy listening to things that you are talking about. Keep in mind that effective communication also depends on whether the audience is listening to you or not. People will not listen to you if they do not enjoy the experience of listening to you. If you sound nervous, the people will most likely that you are prepared in delivering your speech. People will think that you are not good speaking, thus taking you as boring. As a result, they will lose interest in what you are saying, and you will not to able communication will them being more confident. If you know in yourself that you are a good speaker, then you will most likely develop the confidence whenever you have to speak in front of other people. If you develop a good speaking skill, then you develop the confidence as well. Speaking will grant you that you will not fail because you're prepared to do and you know what you're doing. This in turn will make you more confident to speak and engage when people to listen to you. It will be easy to communicate when you travel and meet new people. One of the most interesting benefits of improving your English fluency is that you can travel around the world freely without worrying about communication issues. You have the chance to meet people both when learning in group and when traveling. People usually get more open and friendly when you speak their language, basic when your favorite language or even multiple foreign language. Your opinion for traveling destination become great. It's easier to visit country and enjoy your stay there if you know the language. The local people will appreciate that you can speak their mother tongue and will open up opportunities for you to learn more about other people's lives and cultures. And as you know, that world is full of interesting and extraordinary cultures that are also different from each other and sometimes too close to each other at the same time. Knowing foreign language lets you discover more and see the world from a different perspective from a fresh angle. Believe me, not everyone has the chance to see all of this, enjoy and understand the life others know, but their story, philosophy, and their wall and see the world from a different perspective from a fresh angle. Believe me, not everyone has the chance to see all of this, enjoy and understand the life others know, but their story, philosophy, and their way of living and loving. People who have to chance to travel the world have greater appreciation for the things life has to offer. Your brain energy is boosted. Because a language is a well-next complex system that includes grammar, vocabulary, as well as different rules and structure, your brain has to train itself to think. It has to absorb and assimilate all of it. As a result, your brain starts working more intensively and your cognitive thinking, critical thinking, and problem-solving skill begin to evolve. When speaking English, always ask to choose approach wording and press to express themselves in a meaningful. Different language have different nuances, idiomatic experience, and meanings. Hence, the speaker has to choose word structures from the variety that they may know and negate meaning before using a word in a sentence or a phrase. That involves massive problem-solving process and needs practice and more practice, your memory is enhanced. The more you use brain, the better it will serve you. Improving your fluency does not just involve being able to use different structure, rules, word, and sentence. It also involves remembering how to use the affirmations thing. That is why people who master multiple language usually recognize diction and place the better than people who master only their native tongue. One more thing to note regarding multilingual people is that different studies show that people who know more than a language have very sharp meaning. That can native think better than monolinguals. Your mother language improve. We hardly ever think before we utter a phrase in our mother tongues. We use the grammatical structure in the vocabulary that well batch of our years and will do not automatically. However, when learning a great language, we start comparing it with all the we already know. A result is we start more attention to grammar, vocabulary, pattern, and structure of your native language. This experience provides us the opportunity to improve our mother tongues as well. A result will become better communicator, listener, and editors. The skill surely help you in our everyday life. You become good at other subjects to learning a new language help improve your performance in other subjects. Different studies suggest that multilingual people get high score and various standards in our everyday life. You become good at other subjects to learning a new language help improve your performance in other subjects. Different studies suggest that multilingual people get high score and various standardized tests as well listening and comprehension exercise as compared to monolingual people. You get better career opportunities employees what can complete properly. For you, this means you will have greater number of career opportunities. The majority of our employers that take foreign employees and value to a workplace and that their skills are vital for organism or a company, being able to convey authority. When you speak with a steadier voice when it places authority, people will take you seriously, thinking that you have an authority over them. Moreover, when you're the leader in your school or in your work, your people will believe that you have authority over them because you speak authoritatively, being able to entertain people. Speaking well can eventually entertain your audience and sustain their interest in your speak. Always keep in mind that entertaining your audience is on your aims. When speaking, it makes you that about your listening, how you will be able to keep to them interested in what you're saying instead of just focusing on how good or bad your performance will be. Basically, good speaking skill help in giving your speech a variety in terms of subject matter, volume, pace, tone, and others. It also gives you spontaneity, humor, enjoyment, and will stories and anecdotes as your delivery. You speech a variety in terms of subject matter, volume, pace, tone, and others. It also gives you spontaneity, humor, enjoyment, and will stories and anecdotes as your delivery. You speech being able to build rapport. In communication, it is very important that you keep connected with your audience. Always keep in mind that it's important that you know your audience and you build rapport with them. Good speaking skill will engage your audience to listening to you. You'll be able to build good relationships with them through effective communication. Basically, when you speak well, people will be able to understand you better and clearly. Moreover, when you are the leader in your school and on your work, your people will believe that you have authority over them because you speak authoritatively. You have the chance to meet new people, but when learning in a group and when traveling, good speaking skill will in turn change your audience to listen to you. When speaking, it makes you think about your listener and how you will be able to keep them interested in what you're saying. As a result, they will lose interest to you what you are saying, and you will not be able to communicate well with them. They can notice things better than monolinguals. It may also appear to them that you do not want to talk to. It has to absorb and assimilate all of it. One more thing to note regarding multicultural people is that different studies show that people know more than all language have very short means. That is why people who master multiple language usually recall names, direction, and place better than people who master only their native tongue. Different studies suggest that multilingual people get high score and various standardized tests as well listening and conversation exercise as compared to monolingual people. If you know it yourself that you are a good speaker, then you will most likely develop the confidence whenever you have to speak in front of other people. The local people will appreciate that you can speak their mother tongue and will open new opportunities for you to learn more about other people's life and cultures. It's not good to know that people enjoy listening to things that you are talking about. When you speak with a steadier voice, will impress authority people will in turn take you seriously, thinking that you have an authority over them. People usually get more open and friendly when you speak their language, because a language is a whole new complex system that includes grammar, vocabulary, as well different roles and structures. Your brain has to retrain itself to think. Also, if you speak well, people will have a better understanding of the message to you. To impose people with think that you are not good speaking, this talking is boring. This is will make you more confident to speak up and gain more people to listen to you. People who have the chance to travel the world have a greater appreciation for the finer things life has to offer. When you speak very fast, the people it will not understand a single word that you say. If you sound nervous, the people will most likely think that you are not prepared in the bring you speech. People will not listen to you if they enjoy experience of listening to you. It will able to easy communicate while you travel and meet new people. Basically, good speaking skill have giving respect a variety term of subject matter, volume, pace, tone, and orders. Improving your fluency, snatches, and info being able to use different structure rules and understand sentence. Thank you.